Hello friends, welcome to Navaratna's channel. I'm your friend and your astrologer. This channel will provide you information and solutions on astrology, Vastu Shastra and numerology. From today, we are starting on Nakshatra series. As we know, Ashwini Nakshatra is the first Nakshatra among other 28 Nakshatras. We will know what is Ashwini Nakshatra and reveal its secret. Please stay tuned.
Hello friends, now we'll understand the planet role of a planet Saturn in the Ashwini Nakshatra. See, what is Saturn? Saturn represents discipline, it represents hard work, it represents consistency, it also represents patience, and Saturn also represents servants or low class people. Those people who have these qualities in them may have a good Saturn placed in their chart. Whereas if these qualities are lacking, then you can say that the Saturn is either debilitated or having a negative aspect. Now, what is Ashwini Nakshatra? See, Ashwini Nakshatra is a nakshatra of healers. So generally it is derived from Ashwini Kumars. They work at the speed of horse. So these people will always have a time bound task for them. They will always try to complete their task as fast as possible. They will utilize their energy to heal or help people. Generally, these nakshatra people gives a person a helping approach, and they are always on the move. Now, Saturn, when it comes in Ashwini Nakshatra, see what is Saturn? Saturn is a cold planet, and in the fiery Nakshatra, that is Agni Nakshatra or Ashwini, here Saturn is confused because Saturn is a slow moving planet, whereas Nakshatra is agile, it is quick. So, such type of person become very lethargic. This type of people will be lazy people. They will not intend to take any responsibilities. Nakshatra represents speed, but since Saturn is slow, so this type of planet becomes debilitated. Now Shani is niche in this nakshatra, so such type of person are unfocused and patience less also. So this because of that they are always confused. And since this such things happen, see nakshatra Ashwini is basically coming in the domain of a brain of a Kalpurush Kundali. So now these type of people may have brain related issues. They may have migraine issues. They may have memory loss issues, etc. They will also lack self discipline. Then Saturn is placed here in a nakshatra of Ashwini Kumar. Now who are Ashwini Kumar? Ashwini Kumar are the son of Lord Sun. So they are actually children of Lord Sun. So now Sun is exalted. Sun planet is exalted in this nakshatra, whereas Saturn being enemy of Sun. So that is the reason. What happens is this type of nakshatra natives, when Saturn is placed in this nakshatra, these people will always have an enmity or hatred towards their father. They will feel that their father has actually not supported them when they have wanted their help or something or in the field. So such type of people will always have a grudges. They will feel their father they will not like their father. Generally, it is seen the chart of a people who's having Saturn in the Ashwini nakshatra. Now, third important thing is these type of people, even they, if it is in the nakshatra of healing, they will help people. They will not always take an advantage, or they will not try to show people that that I have done that. So they will not try to take importance. See, Saturn is nakshatra. Saturn is in nakshatra of Ashwini. So Ashwini is of healer. So when during Saturn Mahadasha, these type of people may become service oriented people. So they will be known for their service approach. So now the Saturn is having a positive aspect of Sun. What will happen? For them, see, Sun is basically government, an authority. It is a government, whereas Saturn is a represent lower class people and service. So such type of people may be working moreover into the field of medical, since it's a nakshatra of medicine and administrative. Sun and a combination of Sun and Saturn in this nakshatra makes person more into administrative work. They may be a lower administrative because Saturn is debilitated. Now Saturn may give them the role of a medical assistant, medical attendant, peon, sweeper, where you are related to government but a lower level. Now this planet Saturn is been aspected. See, Saturn is been aspected by Lord Jupiter, that is Guru Devata. See, Guru is a karaka for jnana, knowledge. So logically understanding this is very important. So Saturn in the nakshatra of healing plus Guru aspect. So this type of people may give service to spiritual organizations. They may be more into those people may be giving service to temple. They may be working in temples, monasteries, or you can say churches. They may also acquire knowledge of general knowledge of Ayurveda, of healing, or you can say generally of any of the healing knowledges, but the authority is not shown. So they will opt not to the higher level. They may be of a lower level. Now Saturn, if it is with combination or in good aspect of Mercury. See, Mercury is what? Mercury is communication. Saturn is service. Saturn is your working capacity. You can say working capacity. And the nakshatra of healing. So helping people. So now the helping may be in a very communicative way or a technical way. So such type of people may end up into electricians. They can be into linemen, or you can say spot boys, where the role is to help, but not with an authority. So now when this Saturn is in having an aspect of a moon, direct moon. See, moon is direct your mind. So what mind represent? Moon is also Karaka for vegetables. Moon is Karaka for your day-to-day eatables. So moon in combination of with Saturn. Saturn is what? Farming, anything pertaining to land work or land related work is been seen by Saturn. So Saturn and moon combination may give you good farmers. One who is farming herbs, one who is into vegetable selling, all such type of people, but not of higher authority. Since Saturn is regulated, they may be of lower vegetables and vendors, or you can say farmers, etc. Now, see, now this Saturn is having an aspect or in a good yoga with Venus. Venus is entertainment. Logically understanding the subject here, Venus is an entertainment and Saturn is service in a healing. So basically, this type of healing may be of any sort. So healing can be your music therapy is also healing. So this type of people can be a bar dancers. They can be massage therapist, room attendant. See, entertainment is being seen with a combination of healing and Saturn, where authority is not seen. So such type of profile people I've always seen with these combinations. Such people are into bar dancing, room attendant, or massage therapist, etc. Now this Saturn is having a aspect of good aspect of Mars in the Ashwini Nakshatra. See, Mars is basically fire. It is basically your speed, and Ashwini is also showing you speed, and it basically shows you all related to quickness, agility, and Saturn is metal. So such type of people are one of the bestest mechanic. Since Saturn is regulated, may not be an engineers, but they may be a good mechanics. They may be automobile mechanics, or they can repair any machines. They may be one who can operate any machines, or you can say uh, big machines. They can even repair bigger machines like railway machines, or you can say sheep machines, all such things. Now the Saturn is in a good aspect or a yoga of a planet Rahu. See, Rahu is basically a planet of mysticism. It is a planet of duplicacy, and it is also a planet of you can say present planet which actually represents drugs, or you can say liquor. So now Saturn is service plus in the nakshatra of Ashwini makes person's profile good in the field of liquor, drugs business, or some people who always want to help people by doing work which is unauthorized way, or they can be people who are like organ sellers, drug seller, etc. Now we'll understand what Ketu aspect on Saturn, a good aspect of Ketu of Ashwini Nakshatra Saturn will be. See, Ashwini Nakshatra is healing, Ketu is generally occult, it is your Tantra, and Saturn being into a service, or you can say anything, one who is a service or lower people. So, such type of people are either Tantric or Ghoris who want to help people in a very different way. Thanks, friends, for watching this channel. I hope you like the information which I have shared. In case you have liked the information, please do hit like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.